Okay, hello YouTube. This is how to jailbreak your iPad 2 or iPhone 4S. Right, this is the website that I used to download to jailbreak my iPad 2. I did it like yesterday, so I can't show you me actually going through the steps. I can show you the steps, but not all the way. So just try and follow me the best you can. I'll put this link in the description so you can come onto the website and you can read through it yourself. But obviously that's why you came to YouTube, because you don't want to have to read it. Well, and it's sometimes easy to understand videos, obviously. Anyway, right, what you need to do is first you'll have to download this file, the zip file. It's called cinject, but you'll just click here. Or well, I'll put the link in the description to that file, and that's the file you'll get, but a zip file. And it could be called something like CLI tool. Oh, okay, it'll be called that. Right, anyway, I'll ignore that. So, connect your iPad or iPhone 4S to your computer using Apple's USB, the normal wire that you get with it. It's no special USB, don't worry. Alright, once you've done that, obviously if you're in Windows XP or lower, you'll have this. You have to open up Run, and it's usually, I think it's down here on XP, but Vista and Windows 7 have it here, I think it's still. And what you need to type in is CMD on Windows 7 or Vista. If you're on Windows XP or lower, you need to type cmd.xex. Anyway, so open up CMD, it stands for command prompt, anyone's wondering. Okay, so once you've got that open, you need to navigate to the file on your desktop. I suggest putting it on your desktop because, well, it doesn't really matter where you put it, but as long as you know how to direct to it. But, you know, it's just easier to put it on your desktop, I think. So, you need to type in cd desktop /cinject underscore 0.4.3. There we go, and as you can see here, that's going to that folder on my desktop. Obviously, if you're somewhere like in your documents, you will cd documents slash the cinject folder. Okay, so just carry on. Should be able to, okay, so once you've done that, you come down here, you run that, and then move on. Now you need to execute this command line. By the way, this is not hard, and just make sure you've backed up your iPad. But no, I've not seen any videos where this has gone wrong, or I've not heard of this going wrong. Didn't go wrong on me, and yeah. Okay, so just type this in here, cinject payloads mobile config thing. Oh my god, what the hell is this? My recording program. Okay, so just type in cinject space dash I space payloads / jailbreak dot mobile config, and then hit enter. Right, now at this point, make sure you've backed up your iPad or 4S. I keep saying, because it does go wrong, which it won't, because obviously we test it quite a bit to make sure it never goes wrong, and I've never obviously come across anyone that's gone wrong on this, I don't think. So once you've done that, look on your iPad and you'll see a menu pop up like this, or on the iPhone 4S you'll see this as well, and you just need to hit the install, and it's okay if it says unsigned, because obviously it's there as well.
Yours is the most delicious bread I've ever tasted.
Okay, sorry for that, guys.
What do you want from me?
Okay, that was a strange advert over there in the corner. It's quite annoying actually. Oh my god. Adverts. Alright, okay. So once you've installed click install, and then that's fine. Oh my god, slow, what? Anyway, right, okay, so after you've run that, it'll install. Can't remember whether it restarts or not. I don't think it does restart. And then once you've done that, just type in, it'll come up with a list of stuff, and then you need to type in I can't type in it because when you're on your iPad, this usually runs something else, but I've not got my iPad connected, so it can't run. So I'll just close this down, but you shouldn't close this down, obvious reasons. Right, okay, so obviously yours will say like whatever you're in, and it'll have all that writing. So you just need to type in cinject. Oh, spelling's bad today. Cinject.xex space dash j dash space dash. No, not even dash. I just put space. Yeah. Payloads, and then run that. Obviously, mine's saying it's wrong because it's not navigated to the actual file. So that's why that's coming up with that. Yours will just run this, and then once you see this, now use the cinject -w. It's done. You just need to type in what it says, which is cinject dot sounds a bit American there. .xex -w. Hit run again, and it'll run all this. Now just wait a minute, and once you think it's done, just leave it a couple of minutes if you don't think it's done. But once you've done that, it'll stop, and then once you start unlocking your iPad, it'll keep listing stuff. So yeah, once you've on your iPad, once that's complete, go to settings, general, and network. Which is go to settings, and then when you're in general, you'll see the network, and click on that, and you'll see Wi-Fi or VPN, and you just want to click on the VPN, and then if you can see jailbreak behind this blue box, yeah, that'll already be selected because it's part jailbroken basically. Then you just click on, put the VPN to on, and then click OK. That VPN connection error is normal, that's what you're supposed to get. Now you can either click OK or leave it, it doesn't matter. If you do leave it, it will restart, and just click OK because there's no point in waiting. It doesn't do anything else. Right, okay, after that's done and your device reboots, you can see either the absinthe icon on your springboard, basically the main bit of your iPad or 4S. So that can either be there, or like what happened to me is it can be already there after that, which is what happened, and you can just go directly into using Cydia. You don't have to do anything. But if you see this, just click on it, and it'll complete it basically, and it'll put Cydia on there, and it can install all your cool sources. I'll put a link to some sources you can put on there. Most of you probably know quite a few sources you want, but maybe you've forgotten the link, so I'll put a website on where you can get the sources from. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Please rate and subscribe. And this was the CLI tool, the cinject one on Windows. I'm not sure if Mac. I don't think Mac don't use this because they don't have CMD. So run prompt, they don't have that. And there's another method for them. If you type it in on Mac, you'll find it. You type it on YouTube somewhere or on the internet on Google, and you'll find that. And that's just I think it's a one-click method or something. But they didn't package it for Windows yet. I'm not sure. I'm not checked today, and so I did mine using this because I couldn't wait to jailbreak my iPad. So yeah, and it's pretty easy method, the easy way to do it. Anyway, wasn't hard. It's not hard at all. Just remember to back up your iPad and 4S, guys, because you don't want to lose all your stuff on there. So okay, once you've done that, that's it. Thanks. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. Bye.